This is a walkthrough and tutorial of the Coda template for tracking your credit card sign-up bonuses and statement credits. The first thing you want to do after you copy the template is go to your cards/rewards, and you'll see some dummy card data here and also some dummy rewards data. First thing you want to do is just click on clear sample data, and all this data should go away. Whoops. And I'm going to add 2 cards for now. Let's say I add the Chase Sapphire Reserve and also the Amex Platinum. The key thing here is to add in the sign up date for when you sign up for the credit cards. So let's say I signed up for the Amex Platinum on March 2nd, 2021. Chase Sapphire Reserve was February 15th. And once you put in your sign up dates, these add rewards buttons will be available. So you click on those. And this will add all the individual rewards, sign-up bonuses, points, statement credits, memberships associated with that card down here for you to check out. Now, the important thing here is after you enter the sign-up date, these other sub-pages become more relevant because you can now look at the sign-up bonus deadlines to see what dates you need to spend a certain amount by to get the point reward sign-up bonus. And this applies for all the credit cards that you add. Similarly, a lot of credit cards have monthly spend deadlines. So for instance, there's a $200 Uber credit on Amex Platinum, but in reality, it's a $15 per month spend target you have to hit in order to get that reward. And so that's why this gives you an upcoming deadline of the end of the month, because it's April 22nd now, so you want to spend $15 by the end of this month. Same thing for groceries. You need to spend $1,000 on the Chase Sapphire Reserve by April 30th. Annual deadlines walks through all the rewards that have an annual deadline. Same thing here. You'll see the same Uber credit here, but you'll see that the upcoming deadline here still is 4/30 for the Uber credit, but for this annual airline credit, you have the whole year, calendar year, to pay for this. Now, the main place I like to look is this inbox. This basically ranks all of the rewards for all of your credit cards with the most recent date coming up. So you can always see what amount of money you need to spend by what date to take advantage of a certain reward or statement credit for that credit card. And as you complete rewards, you can just click on this checkbox here on any of these pages, and they'll show up in the completed rewards page. And you also have a checkbox so that you can check off when the 60,000 points hits your Chase account, for instance, if you get the sign-up bonus. The all notifications, this is a list of all your rewards and credit cards, but it also tells you when your next notification is for that credit card. So this is when you'll get an email notification. You can manually change the notification for any of these by going to this drop down and clicking remind myself 7 days, 2 weeks before, 3 months before, so that you'll get an email notification when this deadline comes close. And that email looks something like this. If you scroll to the very first page, at the very bottom, I put a screenshot. You'll get an email that looks like this. You'll see the title or the subject line has how much you need to spend by what date to get the reward, and it'll also give you a running list of your sign-up bonuses, your spending to hit that target, and also your other rewards with monthly spend targets. So you kind of have like a snapshot every single time you get one of these notifications so that you always stay on top of what you need to spend for a certain credit card. In the data admin page, you'll see a list of all the credit cards that you can add. I plan on updating this template as more credit cards come in. Same thing with all rewards. This is a running list of every single reward that's expiring for every credit card that's on the list. And then everything else is just kind of some other customizations for your template. To turn on email notifications, it's really important to click on this gear icon and then click on automations, email notification, and turn this to on. And what that does is every single time you are coming up on an email, on a next notification, you'll automatically get an email sent to you with the deadline, how much you need to spend, so that you can stay on top of your rewards. And that's how you can use this template to track all your spend deadlines and rewards for your credit cards.